Once upon a time, a small brown dog named Tommy lived in a quiet village. He loved to play in the sunshine and chase butterflies. One day, Tommy heard a tiny kitten crying near the river. The kitten had fallen into the water and was struggling to climb out. Without thinking twice, brave Tommy jumped into the water. He swam quickly and helped the kitten reach the shore safely. The kitten hugged Tommy and said, "Thank you for saving me." From that day, they became best friends. Tommy learned that being brave and kind makes the world a better place.